Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes the world expects us to shout, to prove ourselves, to show everyone our every move. But growth doesn't always happen in the spotlight. True growth often happens quietly, in moments no one sees, in struggles no one knows about. When you are learning, healing, or becoming better, it is okay to keep it to yourself. Don't feel pressured to announce your progress or compare it with others. Every small step you take in silence is building your strength, shaping your character and preparing you for the future. Sometimes we feel the need to show the world everything we are doing, to announce every little achievement, and to seek validation from others. We think that if no one sees our progress, it does not exist. But this is far from the truth. True growth does not need an audience. True growth happens quietly, in moments that no one notices, in efforts that seem invisible, and in steps that feel small but are shaping our future in ways we cannot yet see. Every person you admire, every success story you hear, has roots that were nurtured in silence. Behind every achievement, there were countless hours of struggle, practice, learning and self-reflection that were not shared with the world. This is the essence of growing in silence. Growing in silence teaches patience. It teaches us that change is not immediate, and that true transformation takes time. When we rush to showcase every accomplishment, we often miss the depth of the journey. Real growth requires persistence, consistency, and the courage to continue even when no one is watching. It is about showing up for ourselves, not for applause or recognition. When we focus on our journey without seeking approval, we create a foundation that is strong and unshakable. This foundation cannot be built through public praise or external validation. It comes from within, from our own commitment to becoming better. Every single day, silence also allows reflection. In the quiet moments, we examine our strength, acknowledge our weaknesses, and identify areas where we can improve. We listen to our hearts and understand our true desires, rather than following what others expect from us. Reflection in silence helps us stay grounded. It allows us to understand the difference between growth for ourselves and growth for the approval of others. Many people waste years of their lives trying to impress others or seeking attention, only to realize that what truly matters is the progress made in those private, unseen moments. Growth in silence is personal, it is intimate, and it becomes a part of who we are rather than a performance for others. Another important aspect of growing in silence is resilience. Life will not always recognize your efforts, and the world may not notice your hard work, but that does not mean it is not worthwhile. By working quietly, we build resilience because we learn to depend on our own motivation, not the encouragement of others. When no one is watching, we find out who we really are. We discover our own capacity for endurance, for patience, and for self-discipline. Every step taken in silence strengthens our inner resolve and prepares us for challenges that cannot be solved by appearances or public recognition. Silence also protects our growth from unnecessary criticism and distractions. When we reveal every detail of our journey, we expose ourselves to opinions, doubts, and negativity that can shake our confidence. By growing quietly, we shield our dreams from external interference. We give ourselves the space to make mistakes, to learn from them, and to try again without fear of judgment. This protective silence allows us to focus on what truly matters: our progress, our learning, and our evolution as individuals. Moreover, growing in silence fosters humility. It reminds us that we are not defined by how loudly we announce our achievements, but by the substance of our work and the strength of our character. It keeps us humble because we understand that growth is a continuous process, not a destination. The quiet growth of the soul often speaks louder than any public display, because it is rooted in authenticity and truth. Those who grow in silence often become the people others admire, not for what they boast about, but for what they have quietly accomplished over time. In life, it is easy to get caught up in comparing ourselves to others. Social media, constant updates, and public recognition make us feel pressured to perform and to showcase every success. But growth in silence teaches us a different lesson, that our journey is unique, and that comparison diminishes our personal progress. When we focus on our own path quietly, we move at our own pace, guided by our own values, and defined by our own standards. This personal, private growth is far more meaningful than public approval, because it shapes the person we are becoming at our core. Every silent effort, every private struggle, and every hidden step taken to improve oneself matter. They may seem small at the moment, invisible to others, but they accumulate over time. They become the roots of our future success, the foundation of our character, and the quiet power that will one day make us shine in ways we never imagined. Silence is often misunderstood. Many people see it as weakness, as if staying quiet means giving up or being passive. But silence is far from weakness. It is a sign of strength, patience, and focus. When we learn to embrace silence, we discover a power that loudness and attention-seeking can never give. True strength is not in shouting the loudest or seeking constant recognition. It is in remaining calm, composed, and steadfast while working toward our goals. Quietly. When we grow in silence, we allow ourselves the space to think deeply, plan carefully, and take meaningful action without distraction. Patience is a natural companion of silence. In a world that values instant results and constant validation, learning to wait, to trust the process, and to allow things to unfold naturally is rare and powerful. Silence teaches us that growth is not immediate. It does not happen overnight. Every meaningful change, every skill mastered, every personal breakthrough requires time and effort. When we grow quietly, we develop patience because we learn to focus on progress rather than outcome. We understand that each small step, each daily effort is important, even when it seems invisible to the outside world. Focus is another gift of silence. When we are not busy trying to impress others or gain approval, we can devote our energy to what really matters: our learning, our growth, and our goals. Silence removes distractions and allows us to concentrate fully on our journey. We can think clearly, act intentionally, and make decisions that are aligned with our true purpose. People who grow in silence often achieve more because they are not scattered by the opinions, expectations, or judgments of others. Their quiet determination allows them to stay on track, even when the world is noisy and chaotic around them. Embracing silence also brings self-awareness. When we are not constantly seeking validation or attention, we are forced to look inward. We reflect on our actions, understand our motivations, and identify the areas where we need improvement. This self-awareness is crucial for growth because it helps us make better choices, recognize our strengths, and address our weaknesses. In silence, we learn to be honest with ourselves without excuses or pretenses. This honesty builds integrity, which is the foundation of long-term success and meaningful relationships. Silence strengthens resilience. Life will challenge us, test our patience, and sometimes ignore our effort. When we are growing quietly, we learn to persevere without relying on recognition or praise. We build inner strength because our motivation comes from within, not from the applause of others. Each silent effort, each unseen step forward, teaches us that we are capable of more than we imagine. We discover that we can endure hardships, overcome obstacles, and keep moving forward, even when no one is watching. Growing in silence also teaches humility. It reminds us that our worth is not measured by how loudly we announce our achievements, but by the substance of our efforts and the depth of our character. Silent growth keeps us grounded. We learn that it is not necessary to prove ourselves to anyone. Our actions, integrity, and results will speak for themselves over time. Humility gained through quiet growth allows us to connect more genuinely with others and to approach life with gratitude, understanding, and compassion. Silence allows for creativity and deep thought. In quiet moments, ideas emerge, solutions appear, and clarity comes. When we are not distracted by noise, whether it is external chatter or the pressure to perform, we can tap into our intuition and imagination. Silent growth is often where innovation begins, because it is free from comparison, judgment, and external influence. It is in these quiet spaces that we nurture our dreams, refine our skills, and prepare ourselves for the opportunities that will eventually present themselves. Silence teaches us the value of our own journey. When we grow quietly, we learn that success is not about recognition, but about becoming the best version of ourselves. We focus on progress, not applause. We embrace the process, the effort, and the lessons along the way. Every step taken in silence is building strength, character, and resilience, preparing us for the future with a solid foundation that cannot be shaken by external noise or distraction. Comparison is one of the biggest thieves of growth, and it often happens when we allow ourselves to be distracted by what others are doing instead of focusing on our own journey. When you constantly look at someone else's path, you start to measure your progress against theirs, and in doing so, you lose sight of your own uniqueness. Growth is not a race, and it is not meant to look the same for everyone. Each person's path is different, shaped by their own struggles, timing, and opportunities. The moment you compare, you create unnecessary pressure that slows you down. It drains your energy, replaces gratitude with dissatisfaction, and fills your heart with doubt. Instead of being inspired by others, you begin to feel inadequate, as though your efforts are not enough. But the truth is that your growth is valid, no matter how quiet or unseen it may be. When you focus on comparison, you miss the beauty of your own progress. Every small step you take matters, even if it looks insignificant next to someone else's milestone. What you do not see are the hidden struggles behind another person's journey. Their victories may be visible, but their challenges remain invisible. By comparing your behind the scenes with their highlight moments, you set yourself up for frustration and self-doubt. Growth in silence protects you from this trap, because when you are focused inward, you do not waste energy measuring yourself against others. You give yourself the freedom to grow at your own pace, to celebrate your small wins, and to appreciate the journey without judgment. Comparison also limits creativity. When you spend too much time watching others, you begin to shape your dreams according to their path instead of creating your own. You lose originality, and your growth becomes imitation rather than authentic progress. Silent growth allows you to stay true to yourself. When you are not broadcasting every step, you have the space to listen to your own voice, to discover what truly excites you, and to shape your future in alignment with your unique gifts. This kind of growth cannot be compared, because it is rooted in authenticity. Focusing on your own journey in silence also builds confidence. When you are not competing with others, you learn to trust your own progress. You stop questioning whether you are behind or ahead, and instead focus on whether you are becoming better than you were yesterday. This shift in mindset changes everything. It transforms growth from a competition into a personal commitment. Your progress becomes meaningful because it is measured against your past self not against someone else's light. That confidence built in silence becomes unshakable, because it is not based on outperforming others, but on becoming your best self. Comparison often comes with noise, people talking, sharing and showing off their progress in ways that make you feel small. But when you grow quietly, you do not give comparison the power to distract you. You create a bubble of focus where your only competition is with yourself. In that space, your growth becomes steady, peaceful, and deeply fulfilled. You can look back and see how far you have come without the weight of trying to prove anything to anyone. Growth without comparison also teaches gratitude. When you stop looking at others, you begin to notice the blessings in your own life. You recognize the value of your small steps, the lessons in your struggles, and the strength you gain from each challenge. Gratitude turns your focus inward and makes your journey lighter. You no longer chase someone else's success, but appreciate your own progress. This gratitude fuels motivation, because when you see how far you have come, you feel inspired to keep moving forward. Choosing to silence comparison is choosing peace. It is allowing yourself to walk your path with clarity, without the noise of other people's timelines or expectations. It is trusting that your journey, no matter how different, is meaningful and worthy. Every person's story unfolds in its own way, and yours is no less valuable simply because it is quieter or slow. Growth is not about being first or best. It is about becoming real, becoming strong, and becoming someone you are proud of when you look in the mirror. Dreams are fragile in their beginning stages, and when we expose them too early, they can be damaged by the doubts, negativity, and careless words of others. That is why nurturing dreams in silence is so important. Silence protects them like a shield, giving them the space to grow without interference. When you keep your aspirations to yourself, you free them from the weight of external opinions. You give your vision a safe space where it can develop and take shape before it is strong enough to face the world. Not everyone will understand your passion. Not everyone will support your journey. And not everyone will see what you see. If you allow their voices in too soon, they can plant seeds of doubt in your mind, making you question your path before it has even started. Protecting your dreams with silence means choosing to trust yourself more than the noise around you. Silence also keeps distractions away. The moment you share every detail of your plans, you open doors for people's judgments and comparisons. Some may discourage you while others may try to push their own expectations onto your journey. When you protect your dreams with silence, you remain focused on your own path instead of being pulled in different directions. You save your energy for action rather than for explanations. Every dream requires clarity, and clarity thrives in silence. It allows you to listen to your heart, to understand your vision deeply, and to make decisions that align with your purpose, instead of decisions that are shaped by the opinions of others. When you nurture your dreams silently, you also give yourself the freedom to make mistakes. Growth is never perfect, and there will always be setbacks, failures, and restarts. If you are too quick to share your dreams, every mistake becomes visible to others, and the fear of judgment may stop you from trying again. But when you grow quietly, you give yourself the privacy to fail, to learn and to rise stronger without the pressure of outside eyes. Silence becomes your safe ground where you can experiment, improve and continue moving forward with resilience. Another powerful thing about silence is that it builds discipline. Talking about dreams is easy. Working for them quietly, day after day, is what makes them real. By protecting your vision from unnecessary exposure, you train yourself to value action over words. Each silent effort becomes a brick in the foundation of your dream. Over time, this consistent discipline makes your dream unshakable, because it was built not on noise or promises, but on real work and persistence. Protecting your dreams with silence also teaches you patience. Many people want immediate results and quick recognition, but dreams that truly matter take time to unfold. Silence gives you the space to wait, to keep building, and to trust the slow process, without the constant need to prove anything to anyone. Patience becomes your strength, because you know that even if no one sees your progress today, you are moving forward in ways that will one day be undeniable. Silence nurtures confidence too. When you keep your dreams safe from negativity, you give yourself room to believe in them fully. Confidence grows when you choose faith over doubt, action over talk, and focus over distraction. Every quiet step you take affirms your belief in your own potential, making your confidence stronger with each passing day. This confidence rooted in silence is powerful because it does not depend on applause or approval. It comes from within. In silence, your dreams are free to breathe, to grow, and to transform into reality. Like a seed hidden under the soil, unseen yet alive, your dream gathers strength quietly until it is ready to break through and face the world with undeniable power. Silence is not the absence of progress. It is the environment where your vision finds protection, focus, and the strength to eventually shine. Growth is never about grand leaps all the time. Most of the time it is about small, consistent steps taken in private. Those little efforts that no one sees, the quiet mornings where you push yourself to read instead of scrolling endlessly. The nights when you choose to write, learn, reflect instead of wasting time. The moments when you choose discipline over comfort. These are the steps that shape your strength and character. They may look insignificant on the surface, but with time they accumulate, forming a foundation so solid that nothing can shake it. Growth does not need to be loud to be powerful, and it does not need witnesses to be real. What matters is the consistency of your efforts, the persistence of your discipline, and the honesty with which you keep showing up for yourself. Each small private step you take builds strength in ways you cannot immediately see. When you keep practicing a skill quietly, you train your mind to be patient. When you keep working on a dream silently, you build resilience against failure. When you keep choosing the right habit again and again, you create a version of yourself that is strong not only on the outside but also deep within. These hidden steps become your inner armor, preparing you to face challenges without fear and to move forward with confidence, even when obstacles seem overwhelming. Strength is not always about physical ability or loud declarations. It is about discipline, endurance, and the ability to keep going when no one is clapping for you. Character is also shaped in those unseen moments. What you do when no one is watching reveals who you really are. If you are honest, disciplined, and consistent in your private moments, your character becomes stronger, and people will feel it when they interact with you. Character is not about the image you show to others, but about the values you practice when you are alone. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, even if it is as small as waking up on time or finishing a task you committed to, you build integrity. Integrity over time creates trust, and trust creates influence. All of this begins with small private steps that no one else may notice, but that make you unshakable in the long run. These small steps also protect you from burnout. When you are constantly trying to show your growth publicly, you feel the pressure to perform at a pace that is unsustainable. But when you focus on taking quiet, manageable steps, you give yourself room to breathe. You honor your own timing and respect your own process. Growth becomes natural and steady rather than forced and rushed. Just as plants grow one day at a time, nourished by sunlight and water, human growth requires daily care, not sudden explosions of effort. Small private steps are like drops of water. They may seem small individually, but together they nurture life. Consistency in private also teaches discipline. When you do something repeatedly, without waiting for applause, it becomes a part of who you are. Discipline is built in those unseen hours, when you choose effort over ease. The world may not applaud you for choosing to study instead of wasting time, or for saving money instead of spending recklessly, or for exercising instead of giving in to laziness. But these are the steps that transform you. Discipline is not glamorous, but it is powerful, and its roots are found in those daily private actions. Small private steps are also a test of faith. They remind you to believe in yourself and in the process, even when results are not immediate. It takes courage to keep moving forward without external validation, but this courage builds confidence. When you trust your small steps, you stop comparing yourself with others. You start focusing on your journey, your pace, your progress. And in doing so, you create growth that is authentic, stable, and deeply personal. Every unseen effort matters, because those quiet choices are shaping the person you are becoming, one step at a time. There comes a point when your silent growth begins to speak louder than anything you could ever say. You may have spent months or years working quietly, improving yourself without announcing every detail, and during that time, it may have felt as if no one noticed. But growth has a way of revealing itself naturally. The strength you build in silence starts to show in your confidence, in your decisions, and in the way you carry yourself. People begin to notice something different about you, not because you told them, but because your progress is undeniable. Silent growth is powerful, because when the results show, they cannot be ignored. You no longer need to prove yourself with words, because your life itself becomes proof. When your growth speaks, it speaks through your actions. The discipline you developed in private becomes visible in the way you show up consistently. The patience you practiced becomes evident in how calmly you handle challenges. The resilience you built when no one was watching shines through when you face difficulties without breaking. Each of these qualities was nurtured in silence, yet they become your loudest testimony. Actions are far stronger than words, and silent growth allows your actions to carry a weight that explanations and declarations never could. Silent growth also speaks through transformation. People who knew you before will begin to see the difference. They may not know the struggles you endured, the sacrifices you made, or the countless quiet efforts that shaped you, but they will see the change. They will see the strength in your presence, the clarity in your vision, and the authenticity in your character. Transformation does not need to be announced, it is felt. Those around you will sense the growth in your energy and in your spirit, because real change cannot stay hidden forever. When your growth begins to speak, it brings credibility. Words can be doubted, but results cannot. Anyone can talk about dreams and goals, but not everyone has the perseverance to quietly pursue them until they become reality. By growing in silence, you show that your commitment was not about recognition, but about real progress. This credibility earns respect, because people see the difference between empty talk and silent effort. They see that your growth is not temporary or superficial, but genuine and deeply rooted. Silent growth also teaches humility, even when results are visible. Because you grew quietly, you know the value of patience, discipline, and resilience. You understand that your progress came from consistent effort, not from shortcuts or attention. This humility keeps you grounded, even when others start to admire your success. Instead of boasting, you continue to focus on becoming better, knowing that growth is a lifelong process. Your humility makes your growth even more powerful, because it inspires others not through arrogance, but through authenticity. When your growth speaks louder than words, it also becomes a source of inspiration. People who may not have paid attention to your silent efforts begin to see what quiet determination can achieve. They realize that success does not always need noise, that real progress can happen behind the scenes, and that persistence matters more than public approval. Your silent journey becomes a story others can learn from, not because you told it, but because they saw the results. Inspiration is strongest when it comes from lived experience, and silent growth creates that kind of authentic influence. Finally, silent growth speaks through peace. You no longer feel the need to compete, to prove, or to explain. You are content with the journey you took because you know the effort behind it. The peace that comes from knowing you worked in silence, trusted the process, and allowed time to reveal your progress is unmatched. Your growth becomes your voice, your results become your story, and your presence becomes your loudest message. Trusting the process when no one notices your efforts is one of the hardest yet most important lessons in life. Often we feel that if our work is unseen, it is wasted, but that is not true. Progress does not always need an audience. The steps you are taking today, even if invisible to the world, are building something inside you that will eventually show on the outside. Every moment of discipline, every decision to keep going despite discouragement, and every choice to rise again after falling is part of a process that requires trust. Growth is not immediate, and it is not always visible, but it is happening beneath the surface. Trusting the process means believing that the effort you put in today will serve you tomorrow, even when the results are not clear yet. When you trust the process, you give yourself permission to be patient. In a world that celebrates speed and instant results, patience is rare, but it is necessary. True transformation takes time, just like a caterpillar must go through the quiet, hidden struggle of a cocoon before becoming a butterfly. You must endure periods of silence where nothing seems to change. These silent periods are not wasted. They are where the most important growth happens. Trusting the process during these times means you choose faith over doubt, persistence over giving up, and hope over fear. Trusting the process also builds resilience. There will be days when your hard work feels unnoticed, when your sacrifices go unappreciated, and when you feel invisible. But every step you take in those moments is strengthening you. It is teaching you to rely on your own motivation instead of external recognition. This resilience will carry you through bigger challenges ahead because you have already learned how to keep going when applause was absent. Resilience is not built in moments of ease. It is built in moments of silence when you refuse to quit despite the lack of encouragement. Another part of trusting the process is releasing the need for validation. When you constantly seek approval, you lose focus and become dependent on what others think. Silent growth teaches you to validate yourself, to recognize your own progress without needing confirmation from others. This self-validation is empowering because it allows you to move forward confidently, regardless of who notices. When you trust the process, you shift your focus from being seen to actually becoming, from impressing others to truly improving yourself. Trusting the process also requires faith in timing. Many times, frustration comes not because we are not growing, but because things are not happening as quickly as we want. Silent growth reminds us that everything valuable takes time. Just as fruits ripen at their own pace, success unfolds in its own season. If you pick a fruit too early, it is not ready, and if you rush your journey, you risk losing what could have been. Trusting the process means surrendering control over timing and believing that your efforts will bear fruit at the right moment. Trusting the process also deepens focus. Instead of worrying about who is watching or how fast results will come, you concentrate on the task in front of you. This focus ensures that your efforts are not scattered but directed with intention. Each small action builds on the last, creating a chain of progress that eventually leads to big outcomes. The process itself becomes your teacher, showing you that consistency matters more than speed, and commitment matters more than recognition. Growth that is trusted and nurtured in silence is the kind of growth that lasts. It is steady, patient, and deeply rooted. Even if the world does not see your daily efforts now, they are preparing you for the moment when everything will come together. Trusting the process means holding on to the belief that your quiet steps are leading you somewhere meaningful, and that nothing you are doing in silence is ever wasted.